Stop buying courses online to make money. You shouldn't buy a course online to make money. You should buy a course to learn the skill, right? So say if you want to learn YouTube, right? YouTube is a skill, YouTube is a business. So you would not buy a YouTube course to make money. You would buy a YouTube course to learn the skill of how YouTube works, right? If you want to you want to do affiliate marketing, you would buy an affiliate marketing course not to make money. You would buy the course to learn the skill, right? If I wanted to learn how to trade Forex, I would buy a course not to make money, right? I would buy the course to learn the skill, right? If I want to use TikTok, right? I understand TikTok is a skill set, right? It is a business. I would buy a course to learn how to work TikTok, right? Don't buy courses to make money. Buy courses online to learn the skill, right? Because the more skills that you have underneath your belt, the more money that you can make online. Online, doing internet marketing, doing all this digital marketing, this is a business. This is a skill. Marketing is a skill. Advertisement is a skill. There is a reason why people go to college for 4 to 5 years to learn marketing and advertisement, right? Don't buy courses to make money. Buy a course to learn a skill. So whatever skill that you want to learn, say if you want to learn how to monetize YouTube, you buy a course to learn these skills. You don't buy courses to make money. You learn the skill, you apply yourself, then the money will come. Stop buying courses online